Oh, how did we get here? Yeah, 4 videos ago, I was in my boxers back home. The last 3 videos I was in Ukraine. And now I'm moving into a tiny house. Yeah, that's another tiny home, but it's not that one. It's this one. I'm gonna give you a tour of this whole spot. Come on. Let's start in the living room office space. Here we are. I got this huge, unnecessarily large 3-piece desk because your boy likes to have space for where I work. I got a ring light finally. Spent a lot of money on a microphone so I can make some music because again, I'm just kind of confused in life. And a lot of tiny little plants. I didn't bring these, but I'm kind of here for it. Let's take it through the kitchen. Also, where'd you go? This is Jamie. Jamie's gonna help me film this. We're doing a lesson and showing you what the tiny house looks like all in one video.
Hi.
I'm just gonna pass the camera off to Jamie and we're gonna do this MTV Crib style. Here is a full oven, stovetop, dirty pan oven. The lovely fridge, almost a full-size fridge with a ton of leftover catering Chipotle that I bummed off of my girlfriend. Full functioning sink. Full set of empty pantries besides the cereal. Athletic greens, peppermint, and mud water, the essentials. It's kind of bleak. This whole like living somewhere for 2 weeks and then leaving leads to a lot of eating out. Let's go to the bathroom. Look at this shower. The shower is ridiculous. Full water pressure, and it gets super hot. You got this little rock waterfall that doesn't really do anything, but it's there. Full closet here for him. Also another full closet for still him. See that? This is the toughest part of the tiny home. There's running water for the sink with actually really good pressure, but there's no sewage system, so we're stuck using a compost toilet, which right now isn't working properly. I think the number 1 is going into the number 2, which is like the biggest no-go of the whole toilet. And that's been a future Ryan problem for a few days. Let's go upstairs. And this is where the magic happens. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know I typically sleep on the floor. Well, this bed's kind of hard, and I'm here for it. Plus, the wood crystal like circle thing down there isn't that comfortable to lay on. Or I'm just getting soft in my old age, I'm not sure yet. But, oh, the neighbors are home. This lady across the street the other day, I was throwing trash in her bin. It was just a wrapper. She wasn't having it. But I wished her a good day. You know, I said, have a good day. She either flipped me off or waved me off. I'm not sure. I'm gonna choose to think that she waved me off. But it's all love. And there's Billy. Say hi, Billy. Billy's a tiny house neighbor. He's the tiny house you saw first in this video. Bye, Billy. And over there is Lee. Lee is sweet as well. And Sophia's house. That one's not a tiny home, but oh look, there's Billy again. This thing's kind of hazardous though, walking down the stairs. As you can tell by this video, I am a little lost and confused. I'm trying to navigate and figure out where we're going with this channel and what... Billy? Wow, alright. Yeah, trying to figure out where this channel is going and what the travels are going to look like and where the storytelling fits in and where my home base is. One thing that I've really noticed a lot recently is that I'm desiring that home base, a place that I can come and set up my ridiculously oversized desk that I don't need to edit videos and to create things and to come home to. And I'm still searching. This is just the place for now. And I don't know what that'll look like in the future and what it means for this channel. But for now, we're in this dope tiny home. And I don't know what the next video will be like. But I'm glad you're here. Again, I'm Ryan Fila. You go out and live the limit. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
It's a cute little tiny home. Tiny person in a tiny home.